Welcome to the show. We are here. Let's go. We get into it today. We know what we're doing. We are doing the City Skyline map pack, and we are going to do something really exciting with this right now. Yesterday, we worked on the industrial area, so we got a lot of industrial area stuff going on. So we're going to do the unique buildings, and we're going to create a nice port. So I found the little area over here. So I got the highway that goes completely from over here all the way up into this area right here, right? So I want to do some in this whole little area and put all my buildings in here, all my unique buildings. So let's get to work. First, I need to terraform this area right here that I'm gonna use. Let's widen this a little bit. Just like that, so we can at least stop some of this flooding. And let's take off the tip. I don't want that tip like that. Spread this out a little bit. I don't know how much space I'm gonna use yet. It depends on the building and how we put it in. Lord, that's a massive amount of water created to tsunami. Alright, so what I want to do is, actually, I want to take out this whole area right here. I'm going to show you why. Eventually, I'm going to get to why. I'm going to leave this little area right here. We're going to put some on that too. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. That was my train. Let me turn this down right fast, y'all. The train just almost hit that train right there. We'd have been in some trouble. So let's get that back connected. All right, that's connected. All right, I'm still terraforming the area, so let's go ahead and wait for that a little while, and then I guess we can work on this extra area over here that we're gonna work on. Also, get this area. Because I want to kind of put a, you'll see. As soon as this water calms down, good Lord. And let's do that. Tsunami alert all around. I should just make my citizens go in the house. But I ain't got no buildings for them to go in. I need to create some of those too. So if you notice, I'm gonna go and show you, and I get all this flattened out, because the unique building is gonna look so good over here in this area. So I'm gonna make sure I concentrate on that. I'm gonna have to move some items, and then I'm gonna have my storages over here. So it's gonna get busy. All right, you see I got this open area right here, right? It's basically for my, see this my line right here, my harbor line, I mean, so I can get a harbor right, I say there, right? What I'm trying to get in too. I can just do one for right now, right? I guess one not gonna hurt, but actually what I'm doing, I'm moving too fast. Because we need to put in quasar in this thing. Quasar are important. So let's make sure we get some. Okay. Hopefully that hold the water line. Hopefully for right now. Let's just block this out. I just created a shoreline for that thing, and it won't the right shoreline, but anyway. I like that little train line going to it like that, so we're gonna let that stay. We'll clean it up afterwards. I shouldn't be putting this in this early because I definitely don't know how my building's gonna fit. So I want to base it off of my buildings. So we'll work on that as we go, I guess. Let's see. I don't like the shape of it so far, but it's also, I gotta realize, think about what I'm doing. First, well, I've been saying first for a long time. Let's just go to add a way they can get over to them, right? So do I need to bring it over like this? I just need something simple that leads into 3. No, none of these. Oh, this would be perfect. Yeah, that'll be perfect. I think they'll like that. Let's get this drawn in. 3 lanes here. Simple like that. I think that came out pretty good, because then we can concentrate on this area. So let me draw a road right here. I'm going fast, y'all, so everything is going to be chaotic because when you think about it, you got to do it. So let's delete that. Let's go to the airport DLC and get the train station. Here you go. Oh, I need to come up some. I wanted to kind of be right there, so I need to be at the 4th mark. Alright. I need to be about right there, I think. Hopefully. No, I'm still off. Okay. I think I'm off about right there. Let's try that one. Oh my God. I know I'm not gonna be perfect, but I'm trying to get it as perfect as possible. About right. Yeah, I think. Hopefully that'll be it. If not, I'm just gonna, oh. Well, that could be it. Let's put that in. I like the idea how it swoops down. Let's swoop only one down because I'm gonna have to do some rearranging one of those lines. Alright, let's do that. The same thing here. And this line, we're gonna have to, I like where it's at, but this line is going to have to go straight. Oh, that was horrible. Come on, man, stay straight. days straight, guys. So I'm gonna bring that down and run it right along the line with the trains. Come on, let me do it. Just like that. Wait, but I think, oh, actually, ooh, I see what I want to do. I need to use the outside track. I need to use this SAR. Like that. And this track will go into that. That looks good, actually. So, boom, boom, boom. Alright, okay. It don't have to be on that track. Now, you see how we did that? So, let's put a roundabout. And I think this will be cool in this area. That way they can go to different areas. Well, I need to put it about right here. Yeah. Let's put it right there. That's to 4-lane roads, which I'm gonna change to highway roads. Let's get 2 on. 2 on. Well, I guess I can do 3. 3 will fit. Yeah. Let them do their thing. And then we use the highway lanes going into that. And let's change these to also all highway. I don't know, some of those I can't, it don't allow me to do. Like those two, I don't know why. But I like this roundabout, especially what we about to do with it. Ooh, doesn't mean to do those. See, you see how they won't let me do that? But I'm gonna leave it alone. You got me. Oops, wrong road. Actually, I want to use smaller roads in a way. It just seemed to work better. So with this one over here, that's easy. Come on. Alright, that's easy. I had to run some water pumps for back in this area. So let me get that going also before we really get started. So much to do, right? That's why I said you get to one thing, you go to another. Next thing you know, you doing something else. But I gotta do it because I don't want to have to keep going back and forth and doing it over and over and over again. I see that's where the water going to. I see I got another route. I just noticed that way down here. Oh, where am I? Okay. I'm gonna work this area first. So we just gonna worry about having our water pumps in this area. First for sure. See, this part of the game right here is what would drive people. Like, if you're new to the game, you'll be like, nah, why do we have to run water and stuff like that? They're trying to give you the most authentic way of running a city as possible. So, I mean, most they would do it. It wouldn't look sloppy like I'm doing, of course. But you know, if this was really being something I had to do, I would do it perfectly. But right now, no, I don't have to do it perfect. And don't mind saying I don't. Get that all going. Almost to what I wanted to set up. Just setting up this industrial area. We want to get back to the build. So we definitely don't have to worry about this. Next time I do this before. I promise I'd do that before. Alright, so we got that little area. Alright. Let me think. Okay, this is what I want to do. Let's always draw that box. That's going the wrong way. Alright, so we got a box around that. So when they come off that highway, they got to make their way over to here. You still got to go around and then go around. Okay, so we got one area. Let's set up this area over here for we'll call this warehouse row. And the way I'm gonna do this, one-way roads also, but I'm gonna just take it off the road a little bit so I know what I'm doing. So on this road, we're doing the warehouses like this. We're going. So we got to do unique products. So we got to have the unique products. So let's start off with animal. Then we just work all the way down. And flower. Alright, animal and flower. Then we draw a line down. So they don't have to travel the whole distance. Matter of fact, I should have just drove it. Let's do that since I know I'm gonna be doing about this route. It's about right there. Okay. We know we can get to that much. Alright, and this is paper. And that's gonna be plain timber. And this one is petroleum. I might have to go up a little bit more. The other one is going to be plastic. So we got those industries on there. All right there. Ooh, that might be some trouble because they're so close. But hopefully they won't. Let's put, I think it might not need but two more. Let's see what we need. We got glass and metals. Oh, glass and metals on. Let's take glass and metals. and get them 2. Nah, I don't need. Let's take glass and metals right here. Glass and metal. Then we do fish too. Gotta do fish. Fish important. I can do a big thing of fish, so I'm gonna start some more fishing. Okay, so we have a nice. Let's make sure. They can connect just like that. You see how they doing that right there that fast? Look at that. I like the way this run. I really do. I like the way that goes. Force them different directions. Now let's get some electricity over there to them, so they can at least when we start, they have electricity flowing. Let's make sure we can get some over here. Come on, baby, get it over. Come on over there. Why is it on pause? I hate that I had to do all this just to get power way over here. But there we have it. We have power for everybody. I can also get them off of that road too by doing this. That way they know which road, that way they can keep straight off of that. They don't have to go through the train station. All right, we got the storage over there, right? Let's start this area. 4-lane road. Let's keep going straight. Let's just see how far. And what we can add and can't add. Am I going to do... Oh. I like to do my roads like this now. Keep traffic off the main road. Do it like that. Alright, so we got our structure going. Now I can kind of work off of what I want to add. Time for the unique building. So first thing first is it's a seafood building. This is small, so we can do that somewhere else. Let's do the wood like over here somewhere, because those buildings are kind of big. Household plastic, toy factory. You see how that fit perfectly in that area right there? Print press. Do that fit on this area? I think that fit more like, come on. Oh, I want it right there. I wanted it right there. Well, you know what? This would be even better right here. Coming off of that road, you see it right there. You still have to get on this road to manage it. Electronic, clothing, soft paper. That's what I was looking for. See, the soft paper factory is huge. Car factory, food factory. Kind of want to put everything that matches and is in the same area, like wood stuff. Want to make sure all that's in the same area. Bakery, industrial steel, household plastic, toy factory got all those in. So I guess we can go with now. We can go with some oil stuff. I want the oil factories to be over here though. The big factories. And be somewhere on the water, like, see how that'll look perfect right there on that water. Right? And then the steel plant will look good. Oh, that's the petroleum. Hold on, petroleum. Would that be looking good on that? Nah, let's keep those with housing. So I can put the petroleum somewhere over here. This comes together in different ways, you guys. But I gotta make sure I keep it all attached to the same line, cause that's important. Let's see if I can get it in there. Not with that curve. Nope. Not with that curve. Should I do about right? I can do about right. As a matter of fact, let's put a little plastic and metals. I know it need petroleum, and I know it need metals. Right? So then we go back to that. That's a refinery. Yeah. For your refinery. I think that pops. So, oh, that's what I can do. So for this road, to just take it. We're gonna run it alongside the train. So it can eventually go over top, just like that. Ooh, look at your boy. So I can go about right here. And I'm right there at it, okay. Bam. Bam. I really like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. I'm psyched about it. Cause I really like it. Let's go. Let's run some power. Is this train line high like that? Okay. Let's drop it back down. Oh, I could have did that right there. I didn't know it was that close. Wait, what happened? It was just, I just saw it. I can eventually get rid of it. So it's all good. But I just needed something for right there for right now. And we are good. What happened to the power over here? I thought I powered it up. I thought I did. Well, go ahead and get some power. Alright, in this section, we're gonna have the, what is it? Cargo hub. I want to kind of get two in there, but I know it's not gonna work. See, it cannot reach. Can I connect? Why? Why? I think this little road right here, I told you. I probably can go get rid of a little bit more. I'm sorry. Let's get rid of a little bit more though. I'm ending up having to redo this whole oops. Redo this whole island. I don't know what I'm gonna do it as, but I can redo this to something. Now I should be able to get it in there, right? There it go. Wait, you know what? I got this in the wrong. I need this closer to the edge. Where? Hold on. Yeah, I need it right there. So this, so I can connect the railroad from right here. Let me see how that will fit. I would want that on this road, yeah. See, that's just good right there. You see how I got that plan? That's perfect planning right there. Absolutely. And let's get those buildings map. Actually, let's make them one ways, of course. Oops. That part I ain't think about. That part I didn't think about. So let's just pump it up. It's just gotta take it in the air. And then it can go. With these 2-lane roads, right? Oh, I just made sure I gotta redo the roads. Okay. And then let's add that train line back. Which wasn't a problem. Which makes it so interesting now that we got it all flowing. Then we can also fill off of that road because we don't have too much space over here. We got the, what I want to put over here. Okay. I gotta think this thing out, y'all. There's so much you can put over here. Just gotta make sure I'm doing it right. So let's just put some fishing right over this area. Because remember, we have some stuff over there we need it. That's going to need it. These 2-lane roads. Just like that, get those connected. Again, we just do, make it simple just like that. Those connected. And we got a simple little cargo base so far. Let's make sure to get some fish going too. You know, right now I don't have no routes. So let's just make an easy route for them. Oh, let's not. Let's get away from that. Let's not go that far. Because I know I don't be needing to go too far, so let's just keep it simple. And these can go, oh, what are you doing? Just like this. Travel upstream. Oh, well, you can't travel upstream. make him travel like that, okay? This one just gonna go around the circle. I think they'll like that. So, in order for those to be connected, let's put some fishing piers next to them. Where's a marina? Put a marina beside each one. Just like that, maybe. One over here. Fishing jump right there. Fishing pier. What else do we need over here? Fishing tool. Cause this area is about fishing. We need some more. We need some more fishing tools. You gotta take them out. Take them out, y'all. Alright, so right now you see they gotta travel all the way over here to get to it. So far I don't have anybody that's came back in this area. Oh, here we go. We got one truck that's going to put in some work. Eventually they're gonna start, so we're not gonna worry about that. But anyway, let's get back to the main focus again, and then let's getting these lines set up. So that's right about right there, straight across, right? This is gonna look good. Still got that. Ooh. Go straight up. Alright, so on this one I can add maybe the industrial plant. This one, industrial steel plant. Up against this row. You see how that looks? Yeah, I think I like that. Bakery. We're gonna hold on to bakery and the food products. Seafood, of course. We need this seafood place to be right up here. Process the seafood fast. And I need to also make sure I have a fish factory. I think I like it right there. And right here I will put nice storage for fish. Right? So all the fisheries can get their products right there. So, and let's get back to what else we can add in this area. What's this? Household plastic. Yes, because all that plastic can be in this area. We don't want it on the main roads, so let's switch it up. Let's put about, why is these roads not? I just need to go ahead and make them all the same. Can I get, nope. Right there, and up to the household plastics. Yes. Right up against the corner. What's this? Lemonade, electronics. I think I can get that right on that line too. Let's see if we can get it right there. That would be great if I can. Oh, actually perfect. Why that look like a Pepsi? Because Leto. Look like the Pepsi Cola plant or something. What's this? Lemonade, clothing. What's this? Car. Oh, I can do something neat with the car. I can do that over here. I can do something neat, maybe. Where can I do it at? This car and this food, sneaker. Let's put that modular home over here somewhere. Modular home, hold on, let me think. I kind of want it. Wait. I kind of want it like up against this road right here. So why did I delete that road? I don't know, but I know I want this road, this modular home. Where'd it go? Modular home, factory home, yeah. Right up against that. I kind of want to, you see how I'm building that same area right now? It's turning out beautifully. Yeah. Yeah, I think I like that. See, I like the idea of putting stuff in like in certain areas where they're supposed to be, like just not just slapping them anywhere. See, it looks good in that area. I ain't think about this. That wouldn't be right the perfect area for it anyway. You know what? I'm gonna set it right here. Like a little shipyard right there. You know why? Because I can run a road right across this. Nice little bridge across there. Watch this. Hopefully, I don't know. Oh, I should maybe wait for this one first before I start saying I could do something. They always give me that little hump. Don't give me this hump. I don't think I got nothing major going across this. Yeah, it's simple like that. And then see, in this area, I can just make something cool. Maybe add some industrial stuff over there and something. Let's add some quays. Oops. Add some quay. Just like that. And let's clean it up a little bit. Yeah, I can make that area very serviceable. Alright, so that's gonna flood. So while that's flooding, let's add some more. What we got? Sneaker factory, food factory, car factory. That's what we want to work on next. So with the car factory, I want to do a huge parking lot. And let's start it from about right here to maybe about right here, right? Then we can do some other fantastic add-ons and stuff, so it's gonna be interesting. What's this? Car factory, here we go. So we got the car factory back there, right? But see how you hype it up is, where is, we have another asset for the car factory. I think I passed it. Here we go. Electric car factory right there. Yes. See, I like that. Man, we add a lot of parking just to give it that look. See? Give it that car factory look. Right? And let's take this road off, because I want to add some more parking. And how we're going to do that is just like this. And let's put a road back here so they can still be connected from that side also, because I think I'm gonna have to put the farm stuff over here somewhere, which I don't mind. Maybe some in this area. Just don't want to make the area crowded. Oh, let's get back to the parking lot. I told you I mind it. Start thinking about something else and forget what we was doing. But we back. Alright. Okay. So I'm gonna take and put a fence behind it. And find the fences. So it can give it that little look like it's a part of something. See? Take and put a couple of trees right here. 1, 2. So that's how you do that. Give your area a little pop right there. That looks good. All right, let's see what we have left here. I think we have stuff like this. Food factory place. I don't think I have anything on this food factory road back here. I can put the food factory back there. By the car factory, should I do that? No. I think the food factory should be over here somewhere. I think this can be built better, so I have space. Let's go about. Alright, so that leaves me with all this space. I still have to go up. And that's still. Now hopefully I can get those food product stuff in there. Let's see. I know. Let me see what's this? Clothing. I think clothing need its own little section. Cause that warehouse big. It's kind of huge. So let's put it about right here. A lemonade factory. Oh, okay. And that's gonna be some space. Okay, I get what I need to do. Okay. See, sometimes you gotta make little spaces, right? I know I gotta pause. Gotta pause. And then we can go. think that still hits, right? Also, since I got the lemonade stand, oh, I look like I got a lot of traffic. Look all this traffic, y'all. Oh, I'm backed all the way up. Oh my God, no. Why? Oh, there, I told you. I knew it. I don't need this right here. You know what, y'all? I might have built this wrong. You can see my traffic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make this so when they come, that won't slow them down. See, it's not slowing them down now. Go ahead, man. Go ahead, do what you're gonna do, man. Drive, yeah, drive. They're still gonna choose that route, and then if not, you know what? I got this all wrong. I know I want to force them to go places, but this is not one of those situations I can probably do that. But they still getting to where they need to get to. I just need them to get off that road faster. Let's put 2 lanes. Maybe I run that highway. Oops. Am I changing it? What am I doing? Why are they turning around? I'm getting you more lanes, bro. Why you turning around? There we go. That's the main reason why we was having problems. Now we should be good. Oh, this is a problem. See how fast I did that? Why they couldn't do that? Why it wasn't built like that already? That should have been the easiest thing out of all things. They still slowing down though. Why they slowing down? Go. Go. Is that making y'all not go? Go. I'm trying my best to make them go. They still slowing down though. I don't know. But I guess once they get there, they might be okay. You know what else I'm gonna do? While I'm thinking about it, I need to run some over here also. That this is gonna cause a major backup. I already know. But they need it. Come on, man, I don't want that bridge. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So, you know, that's gonna help them get in this area too. Instead of them all taking this highway and draining it. Actually, I might. Can I? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So I think they're gonna start using that. And I never built this area out either. So I guess I can do some fishing in this area too. And a couple of, I'm gonna do some fishing in this area too. What's this, shellfish? Let's do some shellfish. Shellfish, yeah, let's do that. Alright, what else? I see that tuna over there. Is it in the boatway though? That's the only thing that's in the boatway. Look how big this plant is. Watch this. Boom, man, you done ran into my... Can't put you right there. I want to put that out there because they need that. Let's put this. Damn, I can't do it, y'all. I want to put it on there, but I just can't do it, so I ain't gonna force it, but I think I can get more money off the tuna. So let's do the tuna. And plus, I like the way the boat. No, can't do tuna either because everything keep hitting. I gotta do the shellfish. I don't think shellfish in the way. Let's see. Nah, they ain't in the way. That's perfect. They not in the way. Now just gotta concentrate on shellfish. That's easy. Have them go right around the circle. Get all this. Yeah. Now see right on that also, y'all. That means I can put in warehouses. Let's get some power over here first. Now we got some power. We need some more. What else we need to add? Can we add these? I know we're gonna need metals. I see all the things they need metals, glass, plastic, and timber. Metals, plastic, glass, plastic, and timber. Glass, plastic, and timber, and timber. Did I pad? And look, it's already half built, y'all. So we got metals, glass, plastic, and plank timber. It's almost built. Let's make it look cool a little bit by adding some parking. Actually, no. I got these assets right here. You know what I mean? See? You see how that look this thing? Mm-hmm. I like. The same thing over here. I like. So what other ones we have left? Oh, I forgot. We doing a food, right? So sneaker factory. Food factory. Oh, we can't get it out here. Oh, we can get it right here then. Alright, what's this? Sneaker factory fits perfect right there. So they got us a little hub. What's this? Bakery. And they'll come on. Well, wasn't that the perfect, absolutely perfect slot for it, but I guess this is even better. What's this? Bakery? No, bakery need to be over here. I wish I can get it right there. But it'll be good right there in this back end. Let me see if I got everything. So far, so good. So far, so good. Yes, we did it. So I'm gonna add a couple of little assets over here also. Like some of the storage places like this. And just give it a nice look. Trust me, they'll bring oil all the way over here too, I think. So let's do that with the rocks too. Put a couple of those. Just give off that coolness. And it's the farm, right? So I'll put that farm stuff right over here. What's this? Animal crops. I need crops. So let's put a. What's this? Trying to figure out where I'm at. And I can add farming products. That's how we do that. I see the traffic has died down. But now everybody's in this area, which I don't mind. But then they can come over here, so take the long way, short way, however way you want. I did all of that and we didn't have to put in anything. Oh, we got that over there. We did the farm. Okay, let's add the farm. Tree stuff. Where's the tree stuff at? I guess I can put some tree lines down here. Give it that look. You know me, I'm all about that look. They do look good though, these nice assets. Nice little wood yard. See the looks they give off. Another one over here. And I can put a little rock. Don't forget, it can be any one of them, so. Put an ore storage. Right. Back there, I can have more. If I need more industrial stuff like goods, I'll put it all in this area. So, but that's running dope. That looks good. So, creating a little bit of traffic. It's this road going right here. I love it. I love it. Absolutely love it. So, you know what? I can make this a worker's barrack. Let's move this. What's this? Anyway, I think this fish. Yeah, let's move the fish. Let's move that to right there, right? Because we need this road to do this for us. What am I doing? Sometimes the game just get loose from me or something. There we go. And you know what I'm gonna put right here? Workers' barracks. couple of shops, but mainly for the workers. And then I'm gonna do a huge downtown. Downtown gonna be good. But this area right here, strictly for workers. And I'm gonna work them hard. You see all these places they can work, so my Sims will be happy and get some money. And everything will be good, lovely. You know what? I'm gonna do something kind of cool. It probably nobody would else do, but I'm gonna just do it like this. I'll make this a little shopping area, commercial area too. Nah, absolutely nah. I'm just about to cause a problem. But anyway, this gonna be downtown. Nah, I'm gonna make this Brooklyn, Queens. And let's get that colored in. Brooklyn. I know they're gonna need some commercial, well, but I don't have none for you. You know what? Put the commercials on the outskirts right here. A little bit of buildings up against the road. And we mad as on the what? Like, man, ain't no jobs, man. But I got all these jobs right there. These warehouses, baby. So y'all gonna work those. You see how easy we did that? Put a park in here. Probably get a bigger park. Yeah. Yeah, I think I like that comes out perfect. Right there. And this one's to this road. And y'all can do what y'all do. I'm gonna put a fire department right over here in this area. And a police department over here in this area too, because they're gonna get all of that. But I'm gonna have to put my barrier, of course, over here somewhere, like as usual. But I got a park, and everybody should get to growing. Oh, see? There we go. They're growing now. There we go. So now we should be good. It takes some of that demand, but right now, we just want to make sure we got the demand taken care of. But you know, I'm seeing something too, you guys, that kind of making me think that I might can use this whole area, but I don't need to. Look at my wood stuff getting filled up. You know why it's getting filled up? This right there, being able to we're transporting a lot of stuff from right here. See how busy this is? Look, you know why it's busy? They're trying to get everything into, so I might need to run another one. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I have to. Just like got to. Yes. Oh, no, 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 no. I didn't want it to go in. I wanted to go. I'm looking at it wrong. Wait a minute. Actually. Let's run it under. And then have it do the same exact thing. Because that's coming from this area. So I wanted a dedicated. Do I want it right there though? You know what? Let me not put it right there. You know, it need to be up there in another area. This area's already got a lot of hustle and bustle. So we're just gonna leave that area alone. Let's put it actually. Perfect spot. Might be. Might be a perfect spot right here. We're gonna find out. Let's add the cargo. Yup, right there. So this would be an area 2. Right? I think that's right, y'all. You know what I don't need to do is make this road so huge. No, that keeps it out the way, I guess. But cars can get to it. That's a good thing. And that's doing good over here. So right now, I think we'll be at peace with this. Hopefully we can start getting some going, yeah. Because for a minute, everything was backed up, but now it's not backed up anymore. So I guess we're in good shape. I guess, y'all, I guess. This one of them situations where I said, I think it's running perfectly. Let's run this under here. Just like that. So they don't have to turn around. Oh, they still turning around. Oh, they still want to go back that way too. So I got a lot of traffic right here, so they stopped using. Oh no, they still using my highway up here. It's actually sprawling, man. We doing good, y'all. We doing good. Yeah, I got the shops. What's up, V5VV? What's going on? Thank you for tuning in. Well, yeah, I did get the shops. They look good too. Actually, let's draw a little area for those shops too. Let's find an area. Oh, I think a perfect area right here. We always have a garbage problem, but that'll go away. But anyway, let's do a little area over here. So let's take this road, because I want to make this a main artillery road, so I can just keep it going across. Just like that, right? all this area, and then I'm gonna make a highway. You want a little highway to go across. Just like that. So I'm in control of 2 areas, right? Because over here, we can do the shops or shit, and then we can have some regular homes and stuff. Well, actually, you know what? I'm looking at the layout of where all my industrial stuff, so I need to have my commercial in this area up here. What's up, V? Nah, I wasn't gonna use them anyway, because I have to do an area up anyway, so I have a demand for I got a huge demand for commercial right now, so that'll be perfect. I can show you some of the DLC content. Actually, this whole area right here is the shops of Sheba, and those are the DLC packs. Right there, it's kind of sunny, I guess. I may change the, but no, this is shops of Sheba area. So yeah, next to my, so commercial. I like to keep my industrial next to my commercial, so now you get why I said that. So let's build something right here in this area, and let's use the tree line as a nice little guideline for my residential. But they can go to lunch. Yeah, I agree. That would be cool. Well, I did that, but I kind of put them right beside. See, if you notice, see my industrial area is right here, and all my commercial is in the middle of it, and then you have your residential. So I got residential, commercial, then, so that way I don't have, you see my traffic, virtually no traffic in this area. And that's pretty much like that on all of them. Pretty much. Like this cargo is for this commercial area right there, and commercial. What is all this commercial over there? But this mainly take care of that whole area over there. I didn't realize they had a lot of commercial. So I'm gonna eventually have to use that. Some industrial areas have commercial, not all. Not all. Like most of them have a street, and most of, you're right though, you're actually right, because most will have a street and then they will have one next to it. So you're absolutely right, which is cool. V, make sure you hit that subscribe button, V. I enjoy talking to people while I'm on there, because this is one of those games where, you know, not a lot of people play it, so it's good to always come with people who's in the City Skyline community. Let's get a couple of commercial buildings built up here. I might need to do 2. Yeah, I'm gonna do 2. Because I want to make a pedestrian area and over here also. But so far, so good. Okay, I like that. Alright, so this is my main road, so I don't want to be on the main road, because I'm gonna put some more commercial on the main road also. So all of this will be residential. So let's go just like this. Let's just work. Let's make some wiggly lines. Battery companies, yeah, especially close too, so they don't have to, you know, go a lot of distant places. And so you're definitely right. You're definitely right on that one. working at our ore refinery. We was sending drill bits out for shopping every day. Yeah, it was near. Wasn't near the ore though. Now I doubt if we're gonna see some commercial near a oil place. So yeah, I might be wrong. But this is kind of cool. I think I like it. I'm liking this design for some housing. Sometimes most of my residentials be when I make residential housing and stuff like that, I be making it like so not boring, but sometimes I use it just squares and grids. So lately I've been kind of like getting out of it a little bit as much as possible. But I ain't bad. So that's how I got it set up right now. See how it's right next to it. So I got all my industrial areas, not too big of an area, but I got it right next to the Shibuya area, DLC. Then I got the side-by-side pedestrians DLC with the sports DLC. So I'm kind of using all the DLC business, using them all. Yeah, I'm just trying to use them all. So I guess I can make this area, what can we make this area? Oh, we're doing Shibuya. I don't know if I'm saying it right or not. Let's just do this whole area like that. Even though I don't have homes. But I can use it. And then I'll make a little park over here. And then over here, I'll make that my harbor at the end over there in this section. But let's put a park right here in this corner. I'm gonna show you why I'm gonna put a park in the corner. Because I can just take a walk path. And I can kind of go across the street. I'm in DC area. Yeah, home of Trump and the boys. Home of the Trump and the boys. Well, I'm right around the corner from them. Cool city though, I can tell you that though. It's definitely millions of stuff to do out here. Most people love it. I do. I really do. Oh, Western Canada. What part of Western Canada? I was close to Canada, maybe in Rochester, New York, when I DJ and when I'm out. Oh, did I make sure I set it up for the Shops of Shibuya. I keep saying it wrong. Shops of Shibuya. So let's just do some on this main road. I get some on that main road. Everybody happy. And then I do the smaller ones up here. The low density up top, up in this area. You see how I kind of get it off the main areas a little bit? I tried that in a way. Oh, it's besides better. Because okay, the oil, okay. Nice to meet you, V, man. You sound like a cool person. I don't know if you male or female now. I'm just not even... You know, it's a new world we live in, so... But yeah, nice to meet you all. Sound like an awesome person. Plus you play Skyline, which is cool, you know. You gotta be a cool person, an intelligent person to play this game. You're definitely not gonna see a lot of just random people saying, "Oh, yes, let's play City Skylines." No, I'm just in here cooling, relaxed. I'm at peace, and I'm playing my favorite game. virtually the only game I play. Well, I play other games. I play Clash. City streamer. Nah, I stream. I got another channel which I stream. What's the name of the game? Clash Royale. I definitely love Clash Royale. I'm a big fan of that. And then I have another game I play. Oh, Madden, of course. I play Madden and NBA 2K. I haven't really I stream Madden. I haven't streamed NBA 2K. I haven't even bought it yet. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it until like the price come down. I know it's gonna be the same game, so I don't need to rush to get it. That's the good thing about that. So I'm gonna use some of the Shops of Sheba DLC. This is some of it right here. That and this little, but I'm not gonna put that because I want to put a just want to put a little walkway down there so they can walk down here to this. I'll put this over here about right there, right? Then we add a little walkway, insinuate it, make it look good. That's easy, pretty easy. Easy breezy. I know I'm losing houses, but who cares? That's an urban planning academy university, but didn't get. Oh, okay. So, can you honestly say that City Skylines kind of could help you in this in that type of that field? I always wanted to do an urban planner play this type of game, and do they feel like it's authentic? I feel like it's authentic. I really do. Oh, it wasn't out yet. Oh, okay. Well, back then they probably had City Skylines. I used to play that when I was younger. Definitely. Oh yeah, urban planner wouldn't definitely have this much power. It just you have one little section you running. Yeah, you're right. You're definitely right about that. And if you're a stakeholder in the city, you know you ain't gonna want just any person planning, and you want to just like how DC is planned. If you look at it, how it's gridded out. Just made a quick little. That was nice. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Oh, I should have did dirt roads. I think that looked good. That little park in the middle. Yeah, I think that little park in the middle looks awesome, actually. Then let the other houses, other places build in. Like, I don't have no demand right now, so that's great. Absolutely great. Do I have a train station over here somewhere? I know these people said, where is the transportation? I don't have a train system over here. I see a train line right here. Oh, well, I guess if there's one right there, they can get to it from over there. Just need to do some buses. I definitely agree with you, V. Definitely agree. Hey man, look, so far so good. Got a lot of stuff growing in, so I'll give you a quick view of this city. I actually did good with this, actually. It looks good. This look cool. Oh, okay. Good info. This was I did good with this line because, you know, I got cargo stations in every industry area, right? See, I got it over here in this farm area, farm and residential. Not farm and residential, yeah, farm and forest. And this is, of course, the ore. Oh, something burnt up. Traffic is horrible in this area. Look, absolutely horrible. So that means I need another. I mean, all of them is coming to this area. I need to find another way to get. And I know what I'm gonna do. I need a train station down here. And that's where is one? There's one right here. That's a lot of traffic. Oh, it's going right in today. I'm trying to avoid some of this traffic, y'all. It seems like it's a lot. Oh, you know what? I know where I'm gonna put it at right here. I can't. And then that's gonna cause so much traffic. It's already traffic right there. Let's just try. If I can get this to connect like that. Oh, we got another train line. That way, all to see what's happening is all these people in this cargo. Now, I usually wouldn't do that. I ain't gonna lie to you. I would never do this, right? And I would never do this either. None of these places I usually put them in, like, right? But the only reason why I'm doing it because this is a massive, look at how massive this industrial area is, right? So if I had one cargo space in here, it's really just like right now, it's, all of them is trying to get in this area, right? So I'm trying to just space them out. So it's gonna look a little glitzy for a minute, but it's gonna work perfectly because all the cargo goes into, yeah, look at this. This is the cargo for the oil. All the cargo is gonna go over into this area. It can either go into this cargo hub or, oh, look at them. Look at it. Now I gotta back up. Oh my God, that's not good. See, I was trying to give them another backup space for right here, just for this area too, way over here. Which is always a good strategy if you ask me. I don't know. I don't know. But it definitely looks amazing. Oh, I lost my stream? Okay. Dropped. I had to drop. Oh, okay. I'm mad about that. Thank you. Thank you, though, for letting me know. But this area is growing in pretty good, and I don't know why none of the shops of Shiva in this area is growing, though. Do I have a police station? Do I need a police station over here? Fire? Oh, yes, definitely. So let's get that right there. Police, everything right there. And healthcare. I can't say this word, but it's, I think it's, I don't know why I can't say it. Cryopreservatory. Cryopreservatory. I think that's it. Still don't have, what you don't have? What? I'm so. Is I'm still live? I'm still on? Let me know if I'm still on. I think I just helped out that area too. Yeah. Oh, y'all gonna have to be suffering back there. Let's put a fire department right here too. Come on, come on. There we go. That helps that area so nothing catch a fire. Then we're gonna put a little small historic. Oh, we can do this one. Maybe. I think that'll hold us down. Yeah, that hold us down. That's a little one. We don't need a big one. So far, so good. Now we can get some of the shops of Sheba to grow in. So it looking like it's growing in pretty fast, though. Look good. Looking good. We connect in different ways. Oh my God, look at this traffic. So let's try to build a bridge. Oh, that traffic is horrible. I don't know why the traffic is always, well, it's always like that when you first start building, because they have to get the products to the places they going. So let's get us a nice, you know what, I can put this in here. No. I want to put something cool in there, like a library or something. What's this? Theater. I want something cool to sit in there. Maybe like, nah, that crane don't need to go right there. Science Center would be perfect right there. No. Something gotta match the size, like this. This what I wanted. See, that matched the size. Yeah, I think that matches that. So let's put some parking. No, actually, let's put a park somewhere in here. I can't get nothing in here. No. Oh, well, let's go with the sidewalk restaurants right next to them. Then I got this little park they can put right there. I can put one parking lot just to make it look interesting. I think that helps the traffic a little bit too. This little road back here helps traffic. But I forgot. This is gonna help. And so far so good though, y'all. I don't know why I got the high rise, the high commercial. I don't know why they're not building as fast over here as they want. Let's see what else. Oh, they need some products. Oh, see? Now here's a product thing I knew I was gonna have a problem with. I got all of these unique buildings, right? But I didn't build enough industrial buildings. So what I need to do right now is just make this whole area back here only about industrial. I can go around the back. It's all industrial area. So that's how we're gonna do that. Okay. Because if not, we're gonna have a problem. Well, we already got the problem where the industry is not producing enough. So you're gonna start seeing the blue bubble. Like those blue bubbles, meaning they need more products. So for right now, how I can stop that for right now is industrial space planning. They double the amount of goods produced, and that'll slow that down for a little while, but we need to build some more ASAP. So I am going to just actually map this whole area out for industrial. So anything, any area that has parking, any open space would turn into industrial. And I want it to be the Industrial Revolution. Hey V, you still there, V? I ain't heard you in a minute. Let's see, make this our area. That's all you have to do. It kind of fills your area out too. That's why I kind of like doing it also. You'll see how that fills it out. Especially that DLC. Now, the other DLC package, I mean, the other stuff looks kind of crazy. But these look good. This look good, like I said. They want all that industrial. All of it industrial. So every little pocket, get that yellow. That's how you want it. So when you see them growing in, it's gonna look good. You see how that traffic gonna die down also. A little traffic right here in this little area right there. I don't know. I don't got no space for this area over here. I can put this some just a regular industrial over here. I don't mind that look over here in this area. Cause it'll be little small buildings. Just like that. And this gonna look like a hustling, bustling area. If some industrial stuff ever grow. But who knows? See, look at the train stuff is now flowing. They get to their destinations. I think we're doing good. I think we done good. Man, they gotta get their products up here. I got products in everything over here. I don't know, y'all. So why is these stuff full? I hate when that 49% full, 48, 49, or 1%. What's this? Paper is only 1%. Y'all gotta produce some paper, man. 68. That's full. 36%. That's 40%. Come on, man. Get these products. Get these products. Matter of fact, that's empty. Yeah, let's get this stuff where it need to go. You see how the car's going there? As soon as I press that button, they get the empty. Come on, man. Get this stuff where it need to go. No, that way they'll fill it and empty at the same time. So that's a good thing. Because everything right now is full. Yeah. Drop a like in the chat if you like this residential. I mean, this huge, I mean, absolutely huge, unique factories area I made. It's huge. cargo space. We building boats over here. We got the fishing. Oh, look, man, drop a like or something. We definitely got it. It's coming together. And while we was watching it, we made a couple of buildings down here too. Look at that. Look at the people walking through the leaves and stuff. Ain't that cool? Got a nice transfer hub. And we are making some money. So make sure you hit that. I keep saying make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button if you like my gameplay, because I have more coming to you tomorrow. Same time, same channel. It's always fun with you guys, because I am the City Sky King. And again, we're showcasing the map pack. So I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.